Hi, I'm Marissa,
And I'm Giancarlo.
and we're the creators of
Quirky Bot.
Our bot has four different commands, two simple ones and two more complex ones. First one is ping. It responds with pong. The second one is quirky, and that's all it says. It's pretty quirky. And then now for our more complex ones, we have the meme command, which will get a random meme off of r/memes, a subreddit on reddit.com. So you can do this a few times to show you that it will get a different meme each time. And lastly, we have the Reddit command, and you can input the name of any subreddit, and it will get a random post from that subreddit. So do a few of those. And let's get another subreddit. What's a good one, PC?
History.
r/history, sure. Can't type. Okay, that got a comment, but oh, okay, yeah, there it is. Cool. And that's it. We're going for the best beginner hacks and the best Jugaad hacks, and we hope you enjoyed this quick little demo.
Hey there, fellow hackers, judges, and random strangers. I'm Sirath, and I'm here to demo my project for the SillyHacks hackathon. I had always wanted to build an artificial intelligence model that could take on more creative tasks than the generic prediction and classification. And this seemed like the perfect opportunity to do just that, because the model didn't have to be good, but it would still do what it was intended to do, which was just being silly. To develop this, I used GitHub's Student Developer Pack to gain access to AWS Educate. With $100 in student credits, I was able to use AWS SageMaker to clean the data and train the model. And I used Python and TensorFlow to do this, along with ML5.js to serve the model on the website. Now, as you can see, I am demoing my project here. All you have to do is write a few words in this text box above and click on the heart to generate some cheesy, goopy, silly gibberish. Now, of course, you can't use this in a Tinder chat room because, I mean, it would probably just scare someone away, but maybe you could use it with some different alien race in the future, maybe after the quarantine is over.
Silly, silly, silly. We hackers can't get enough of it. So much so that some of us decide to make silly animations in the terminal. Silly Rube Goldberg animations, that is. Woo! Woo! Silly hacks.
Well, those were some really amazing demos that we saw. Don't worry, we have got more demos. I just wanted to welcome you all to the closing ceremony of Silly Worlds, aka the Silly Hackathon. And yeah, let's look into some more demos, and we'll quickly then move into the closing ceremony.
I want to prank my friend so badly, and I don't know what to do. I just want to just prank him. Like last time, he did a prank on me, and I just want to get back to him. What do I do? Wait, we have bomb extension, right? We have not a bomb. Ah, he uses Chrome a lot, so this is the perfect prank on him. So what do? I just go to the GitHub repository here. We just download the code, copy it, clone it, and it's all ready. And all I need to do is to download this extension in his system, and that's easy. He always keeps his laptop open and just goes away somewhere. So yeah, this is the perfect prank for him. Yeah. Let me just go to his Chrome. So quick, before he comes, I have to finish this. Okay, yeah, he's away. It's time to do it. Just select the folder and the extension is here. Okay, now it's time. I just act okay. My friend is here. Hello, bro. So are you searching for something? You have an assignment, right? Yeah. Or do you know about this cool hackathon called SillyHack? Let's just Google it.
Yeah, sure. I'm Googling it.
Yeah, this hackathon is really silly and it is really cool. Wait,
Wait
what
a
is
sec.
this?
What is that?
Okay, it's something suspicious. Like it has a lot of cool buttons though. Wait,
Yeah.
Like, shall we try clicking on something like, I don't know, it's something looking like a cool game or something?
Is it like a bomb or what?
Not that it's gonna explode. Like, I hope it doesn't explode.
Wish me luck in selecting one of these.
Good luck.
Oh shit!
Oh, what? What?
What did I do?
What did he do?
Does this explode already?
Like,
Oh my
is it
God.
yes? Like, your system
What
is
will
still
I do?
100 tabs. Oh my god.
OMG.
Do you remember that last week you pulled a prank on me?
Oh!
Now it's
I
my
was
time
got
to run.
pranked by you.
Bye bye.
How do I leave from it?
Have fun. Like that's something you can think about it.
Oh shit.
Hey everyone, so those were some really cool hacks, and I really liked how people pranked each other there. That was really cool, and the music and the presentations that you folks have done were very amazing. So we have a special guest with for you all. We have got Sam Julin. Sam Julin is the developer advocate at Auth0. Well, you all know Auth0 is the sponsor at SillyHacks, and you all have tried Auth0. So let's listen from Sam Julin.
Hey everybody, how's it going?
So everyone is excited about the closing ceremony and they are looking forward to the winners.
Yeah, definitely. Do we have how are we gonna do this? Do we are we gonna do one at a time or yeah?
Yeah, we can go ahead with the odd zero winners if you want.
Okay. Cool. So it looks like we've got a winner called SillyCam. So that's awesome. And you said we are going to play their. We have a demo video. Congratulations! Woo! Did you say we have a video from them that we're going to play?
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. Way to go, SillyCam.
Hi guys, this is the demo for our application that we made from Flutter, and we used an API that we created using deepfake. So what this does is, firstly, there is a login with auth0 button. We are using authentication from auth0, which is a sponsor of SillyHacks. So yeah. So it generates this page that we slightly changed, and when I click on continue with Google, I log in with Google, it redirects me to the SillyCam page, and here I can upload a photo from my gallery. And suppose I upload this photo, and then it goes into the backend. I mean, this is an input. It takes an input image and it goes into the backend and uses.
Here's what I heard.
To
Blah, blah, blah,
morph
science,
into
science,
a
science,
funny
bigger. And
video, as you
bigger
can
is
see.
better. Everyone's going to love these new portion sizes.
Okay, so you saw how that worked. So now I can use another picture, which is my picture, and I upload it. It should load any second now.
गाइस, आप लोग ने पूछा था कि कैटरीना कैफ आपकी कौन लगती है, तो मैंने बताया था अपनी वीडियोस में कि वो मेरी कजन सिस्टर है। उसके बावजूद आप लोग बोल रहे हो कि आप उससे भी ज्यादा सुंदर हो। तो गाइस, क्या करूं, मैं इतनी सुंदर हूं, तो आप ही बताओ क्या करूं।
Yeah, so this was the idea that we thought of for the hack. Thank you so much.
Sam, what do you think about the project? Sam, I think you are on mute.
I was muted. No, that's really awesome. That's really cool. It's really cool to see. Of course, we like the auth0 part too, but that's a really great idea. Really, really exciting. Awesome. Congratulations.
So, and do you want to announce what are they going to win?
Yeah. So for the team that made SillyCam, we've got some auth0 hoodies. These are actually brand new. We're finalizing the design and stuff. So they might be the first people to get this new auth0 hoodie. So that's pretty exciting. And then we also have $50 Amazon gift cards for them. So awesome. Yeah, great job. I was hanging out on the Discord a lot throughout the weekend, and it seemed like people were having a really good time and making some really cool stuff.
Awesome. Sam, did you happen to attend any hackathons while you were young?
No, I didn't. I didn't get. I don't know if. I mean, there definitely weren't any like remote hackathons when I was young, because that was like in the late 90s, early 2000s. I really wished something like this had been around when I was in high school or college. That would have been really useful. I would have learned a ton. I didn't know the first thing about this stuff when I was that age. So this is really cool. And it seems like Discord really was an awesome platform for it. I was actually thinking yesterday, Harshal, we should like have you on the auth0 Twitch channel or something to talk about like lessons you've learned from running a remote hackathon using Discord and other platforms, because it's pretty cool since you can do like roles and all of those different things. It's really just seems really impressive. Seems like it went really well.
I had this amazing team. I honestly don't know anything about Discord, but I have this amazing team who, I just tell them, hey, I am thinking of doing this on Discord. Is it possible? And they're like, yeah, it's really possible. And they do it in just in a couple of minutes. So that was something that the credit should go to the team and not me. So they
Oh,
were the
cool.
people behind that. Yeah.
That's awesome. Wow. Yeah, great
Okay.
stuff.
And Sam, we have a lot of people who are starting very early in their career, right? So, do you have any advice for them?
Yeah, sure. I think one thing that a lot of beginners struggle with is knowing they might get really overwhelmed by knowing like where to start or what to, what language to pick or what framework to pick or things like that. And the one thing I would say is to not worry too much about it. I mean, do your best to find something that interests you and seems somewhat practical, but you're actually kind of building this larger body of knowledge. So even if right now you're studying JavaScript and HTML and later on you decide to start learning Python or something, like it's all going to build up on each other, all of the different programming concepts and web concepts or mobile concepts, whatever you're learning. So just enjoy where you're at and learn, do your best in what you're learning right now, and don't feel too overwhelmed by like, oh, I've got to learn that and I've got to learn that and I've got to learn that. You know what I mean? I think that's a really common scenario.
Yeah, I have faced that problem, and I know.
Yeah.
Awesome. And just the last question before you hop off. What do you think about people making silly things?
I think it's really what we need in the world right now. This has been a really crazy year. And so I really loved the whole idea of just like having fun and like doing something fun for the sake of having fun. I feel like the whole world needs more of that right now.
Thank you so much, Sam, for joining us and giving us your time and sponsoring Silly Hacks. We
Yeah, of
hope
course.
we hope we can do more such events with you. And looking forward to talking to you later. Take care.
Yeah, thanks, Harshal. Thanks, everybody. I hope you had a great time. Bye.
That was Sam Julin, the senior developer advocate at Auth0. And we are now coming to the close. We are now coming to announce more winners, so stay tuned. Well, I welcome you all once again to the Sillyverse. Everything good always comes to an end, but we have got an amazing feedback from you all, and we might have Silly Hacks 2.0 very soon. So stay tuned for that. So before moving forward, let me give you a quick statistics of what was happening in the Sillyverse. Well, once again, thank you all for joining us on this silly journey. It was so much fun to have you all, to have fun with you all, to meet new people and make new friends. We got 650 plus members on Discord, which was really crazy. As I mentioned earlier, I am not someone who is good with Discord, but having seen all of you follow the rules and maintaining the decorum on Discord, it was really overwhelming for me, and I really appreciate that. We got registration from 50 plus countries, which just blew my mind. Because when I came up with the idea of SillyHacks, I wasn't sure if we would be able to reach so many people and if we would be able to reach globally. But with all your love and support, we were able to do that. And you all built some amazing, great projects, and we got 70 plus submissions, which were really awesome. We got a really good feedback from all our judges, and they really loved your projects. So now, moving on to the winners. We had a raffle contest earlier in the starting of the hackathon, and here are the winners. Any guesses for the winners? So we had a Twitter raffle and an Instagram raffle. So who would be the winner for the Twitter raffle? Yuvraj is saying me. Okay. Honestly, I don't know. I haven't seen the slides yet. So let's see who it is. Well, it is Italic Florence on Twitter. Congratulations to you. You win a $10 Amazon gift voucher. So don't forget to DM us, and we'll love to send you your prize. And the next raffle for Instagram, and the winner is someone somewhere 639. Like, this is a really cool username. And yeah, you also win a $10 Amazon gift card voucher. So just DM us and we'll ship you the vouchers. Well, let's move forward. And we have got the winner for hacking with Echo AR category. Can we have the demo video, please?
Hello, my name is Catherine. For the 2020 Silly Hacks, I created a project called Scroonger's Cat. There's a 50% chance that it's there or not. This is my first hackathon alone, and I use the programs Echo AR and Unity. So basically, what it does is it uses Echo AR to spawn a cat into augmented reality. There's a 50% chance that the cats are actually there or not in a point of time. I use Unity to show this, so if you click on one, you'll find out if the cat is there or not. And if the cat's there, it spawns in another cat. And if the cat isn't there, it deletes the cat because it was an illusion and you kind of uncovered the illusion. Unfortunately, the project didn't get finished in time because I didn't have an Android or an emulator that would work, but I'm glad to have learned about the Echo AR program. And I'm glad to participate in the Silly Hacks 2020. Hello, my name is Catherine.
Awesome. So that was a really good project and we really enjoyed it. So let me tell you, what do they win? And yep, they win a $50 Amazon gift card from Echo AR. They also win 1 month free business tier access of Echo AR, and they also get a chance to get featured in the Echo AR newsletter. Apart from that, they win some cool SillyHacks t-shirt and a very amazing looking SillyHack enamel pen. Let's move on to the next category. The next category is hacking with N10. And can we have the demo video, please?
Hello everyone, this is team doing my digital life, and now we are going to see. I'm going to demo our product. So over here we have our landing page where user needs to sign in. So we're taking his email ID, password, and Twitter ID. As you can see, I've already filled up my details. So I'll just click on submit. And this site is hosted using AWS Amplify, and we are using OAuth 0 at the backend part. And over here it shows me a download link. So it says script.sh. Okay, I'll download this. So what does this script do is Yeah, so it basically creates aliases of whatever commands you have in your system. So, and it creates it randomly. So your CD may be mapped to RM minus RF, your make may be mapped to time, anything of that sort. So over here, this is the script. So this will be running to, yeah, convert it. And then we have a one cron job which has been set up after executing the script. So we'll do cron tab minus L. So over here, I'm running this BG. So this is the BG part, and over here, as you will see, as I run it, this is the current, and yeah, it got changed. So even if I run it again, yeah, so every time it just keeps changing. So this is for spooking the experience of user on the desktop. And then we come on to the Twitter part, like mobile part, where we spook the users using our Twitter bot. So over here I'm calling this route slash Twitter bot, and this slash Twitter bot, as you can see in our documentation, it's for sending messages. So I've set up an N8N workflow for this thing, where there's a cron job which gets triggered every day at 3 p.m. and sends the message to like all the users. Thank you.
Well, that was amazing.
Hello.
Okay, sorry for that. Yep. So what do they win? Well, the Ruin Digital Life team wins a $150 worth Amazon voucher. They also win the awesome SillyHacks t-shirt and the SillyHacks enamel pin. We got one more surprise for you, so let's look at the video first. Well. Congratulations to Pogo Zones as well. They are the N8N team really loved your project as well, and they decided to split the prizes between you two teams. So you also win a $125 worth Amazon voucher, the SillyHacks t-shirts, and then the special SillyHacks enamel win. Congratulations to you too. Well, now let's look at the winner for the Hacking with Kingtone category.
Are you tired of your classmates constantly cheating and getting the same grades as you? Look no further. Mathway is here. Mathway is your go-to troll for when you want to get back at the cheaters. Simply tell them to go to our website. They'll be fooled. Have a good laugh. Warning, we are not liable for any physical damage after you use the app. Side effects may include black eye, broken nose, and maybe concussion.
Hi, I'm Isabella.
I'm Shelly.
I'm Grace.
I'm
Ellie.
And we are Ladies in Tech.
We present to you Mathway, the ultimate prank to cheaters.
I came up with this idea an hour before our club meeting. I was talking with my mother, who mentioned she was going stir crazy from being in the house for so long. I asked her, what's 2 plus 2? And she said 8, to which I replied, okay, you're good. Since SillyHacks was upcoming and our club, Intech, was preparing for it, I had the idea pop into my head.
For the development of the app, we use Kingtone to create a web database that holds all the links to the pictures. To access it, we use Kingtone REST API. To connect the front end to the back end, we decided to use Flask. And for the front end, we use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. To collaborate and work together as a team, we use VS Code Live Sharing extension and REPL IT to share and edit code at the same time.
When a cheater enters this site expecting a solution to their homework, they get a surprise instead. We have been working on this project nonstop for the last 2 days. and we all learned so much. We had a rough time connecting to the database, and we even reached out to the Kintone mentor in SillyHacks who helped us out a lot. We would like to take this project further by adding more math functions to make it look more believable, and we would also like to make other pranking websites.
Well, now I know if my friend is cheating, where should I set them? So that was a really cool hack, and I really like that. So let's talk about what they win. Well, the Mathway teams win a $300 worth Amazon voucher. They also win some cool swag from Kinton, and like every other winner, they'll win the SillyHacks T-shirt and the SillyHacks enamel pen. So congratulations to you folks. Now let's move on to the next category, and which is the mini events. So at SillyHacks, we had a mini event league where you could win some amazing prizes if you took part in the mini events, right? And we have the winners for that as well. Well, the winner is Hi-Fi Inox. The second winner is Beth, and the third is Susmita Reddy. Congratulations to you all. The winner wins a $30 worth Amazon gift card. The second runner-up wins the $20 Amazon gift card, and the third one wins a $10 Amazon gift card. So it was really nice to have you all join us for the mini events, and I hope you continue playing, take part in the mini events. Congratulations to you folks. Don't forget to DM us on Discord. Well, now let's talk about the winners for the hacking with AWS. But before that, let's look at the demo video.
Hi, I'm Andre Demano, and I'm super excited to introduce to you our hackathon project, Trulu Twitter Tracker. Trulu Twitter Tracker is a Twitter bot that tracks my friend's League of Legends games and posts a tweet with the stats of his most recent ranked game. Now, before I show you the demo, I'll pass it over to Alfred, who will be talking about the technologies and services we use to help make this project happen.
For our project, we use the Twitter API and Riot Games API to post and retrieve our friends' game stats. We also used Amazon AWS EC2 to host our bot. We are applying for the Hacking with AWS, Silliest of All, and Best Beginner Hackers tracks.
Now let's see if it actually works. So essentially, whenever Trulu finishes a game, we want to retrieve his game stats using the Riot API, and this is handled in Riot.js. Then we create a tweet using those stats in Messages.js and pass that information to TwitterBot.js to post the tweet. Now I'm going to run the server with the command forever start index.js and cross our fingers it works. So let's see if it posted a tweet. Let's refresh the page. And success! And he won! Congrats, Trulu. So our bot ended up working, and we were able to successfully post a tweet using the recent game stats of our friend Trulu. Thank you for watching, and we hope you love our project.
Well, that was a really good project. Let's see what they win. So the Trilo Twitter Tracker winners win a $100 Amazon gift voucher. They also win the SillyHacks t-shirt and the SillyHacks enamel pin. I am really excited to see your reaction when you get those enamel pins. Those are my personal favorite and I really love them. And I don't want to show it out on this live stream. I want to keep it a surprise for you all. Moving to the next category, hacking with the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Well, Juan, who was the judge for this category, really loved all your projects and he gave some amazing feedback. He enjoyed watching your projects and he really liked it, what you all built. But before looking into the winners, let's look what the winners built. Any
Has this ever happened to you? You trying to adjust the brightness of your screen. But alas, You don't know how bright your room is exactly. What to do? Well, lucky for you, we have an app for that. It detects the brightness of your room and tells you exactly how bright your surroundings are. There are 5 levels of brightness it can detect. So go ahead and adjust that screen brightness to perfection.
Hi, I'm lit.
And I'm not sure if you saw the messages that were displayed on the screen. Definitely check out that what the messages were, and they were really creative and funny. Well, let's look into what they win. The Willy Tim win some amazing GitHub swags, and I'm kind of jealous over here. But yeah, they win some amazing GitHub swags. They also get the SillyHacks t-shirts and the special SillyHacks enable pen. Let's move on to the next category, and these are the MLH prize categories. So let's have the demo video for the best all girls team.
Hi, we're from Brighten Your Day, and we made a Chrome extension that changes your website's look in a brand new way. So let me go ahead and turn it on. And so this is the SillyHacks page right now, but once I reload it, then it will have the Chrome extension. So we just reload it, and so as you can see, it starts off with an alert that says, enjoy the rest of your day. And you can see that there are multiple things that we have changed on this website. The first is that we included 2 different fonts. The first one's called Chemistry, and so this one changes the font to look like chemistry symbols. The second one is called Times New Bastard, so every 7 characters for Times New Roman, the character becomes sans serif font. You can also see that the text becomes a random color, and after everything's a random color, we also inverted the colors of the entire body. So that means that images such as these and also images of the people's faces are also inverted. If we reload the page, you can see the alert still comes up and the colors are randomized. So we did not use any of the sponsors products, so we will not be competing for those, but we will be competing for the MLH tracks of Best All Girls Team, Best Beginner Hackers, Best Juggered, and Silliest of All. Thank you.
Well, I know if I want to fool my friend, I am going to use that extension and I'm going to play a prank with him. That was really good. So let's look into what they win. Well, the Brighten Your Day, well, honestly, I feel it's an ironic name for this, but yeah, the Brighten Your Day team wins and it's some amazing MLS backpacks. Moving forward, let's look into the best beginner hackers. And yeah, let's see the demo video. Now you know how our servers feel. So please don't load your servers with unnecessary files, right? But yeah, that was the best beginner team, and the name is Silly Server. So congratulations, and you win the Arduino starter kit. Okay, that's a typo over there, a silly mistake. But yeah, you win some Arduino starter kits. Congratulations. Moving forward, the best Jugaad hack. This is one of my personal favorite. So let me just talk about what Jugaad is, if you don't know. So Jugaad is taking things together and taping them together and building something fun or something that makes it really useful for you, right? Something manipulating things to make it work for your own cause. So let's look into the best Jugaad hack winner.
Oh my god, is this a Lion King? Dude, I love the Lion King. Are you at the part yet when Simmer's dad dies? Oh, it's so sad. You're not at that part yet? It's so sad. It's one of the... Stop. Don't let people talking over your movies ruin your movie night. Grab your remote, place it in the hearing aid, and turn on the machine. Is he the Lion King yet? I really don't know. I don't remember how far away it is. Why is it getting so loud? What's going on? Is he king yet? What's happening?
Not the way I see it.
Really?
So you have to do what I tell you.
The hearing aid, coming to a store near you.
I am waiting for the hearing aid to come to the store near me. Now I know if my friends disturb me, what tool I need. That was a pretty cool hack. Well, the hearing aid team wins the Arduino starter kits. Congratulations to you. Moving forward, this is the silliest of all category. But before announcing the winners, let's look at the demo videos.
Alright, I just gotta fix this final bug. Is it parentheses? No. Ah, geez, what bracket? No. Oh my goodness, I can't do this right now. Oh, what am I gonna do? You know what? Maybe I'll just take a little break. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at Reddit real quick. Yeah. Oh, that's a good post right there. Oh, that guy's playing guitar. Oh, wait, no, not the Octocat. No. Dang it, he caught me. I guess I should go back to work. All right, let me look at this bug one last time. Wait a minute. Is it curly brackets? Thank goodness Octocat was there.
Well, I definitely don't want the Octocat shouting at me. I really love the Octocat. So yeah, well, this is the winner or not. I don't know. Let's wait for the another video, and I want you all to guess who would be the winner. Us?
Have you ever wanted to play arcade games but you've been out of quarters? Have you also ever wanted to destroy Wikipedia pages? Well, do we have the Chrome extension for you? Introducing WikiGames!
WikiGames is a Chrome extension that interacts with Wikipedia pages, turning any page into an arcade game.
That's right, any page gives you a different gaming experience based on the unique images and link locations.
First, let's take a look at WikiSnake. In WikiSnake, you navigate through the page, eating Wikipedia links while avoiding your own tail and the walls.
Every 5 links, the snake's speed increases and the game ends when you eat all of the links in the play area.
But be careful, you only get 3 lives.
Now, let's blast off into Wikispace Invaders. Start the game and watch all your links turn into an army of enemies.
Destroy all the invaders to win before they destroy you.
Let's wrap it up with a fan favorite, Wiki Matching. Go to any page and get a custom-made matching game using the pictures from the page.
Put your memory to the test to clear the screen.
So there you have it, WikiGames! Coming soon to a Chrome store near you.
Well, that was an amazing project, and I really loved it. And I am looking at the chats on YouTube, and I see almost all of you want this game. So yeah, we are waiting for this game to go live. Awesome. So any guesses who might be the winner of the silliest of all category? Will it be Octofocus or is it WikiGames? Okay, so let me break the silence over here and announce the winners. The first winner is Octofocus. It was a really amazing project and it was a very tough decision for the judges to decide among these two projects. And we really love those projects. The winners win a $200 Amazon voucher. They also win Egghead.io subscription for a year. They also win some SillyHacks t-shirt and the special SillyHacks enable pin. Wait. Did I say winners? Well, I might have made a mistake over here. Congratulations to the Octofocus team. You are the second winners of this category. The winners is Wiki Games. So, okay, again, a silly mistake over here, but they win a $300 Amazon voucher, Egghead.io subscription for a year, SillyHacks t-shirt, special SillyHacks enable pin, and also Get Kraken Pro subscription for them. So congratulations to all the winners once again. You all did an amazing job, and I really loved the project that you all built. It's not just me, but everyone loved the project that you built. But before moving towards the end, I would like to thank to all our speakers who gave their time and their energy to share their knowledge with us for the pre-hackathon workshops. I'd also like to thank our judges who spent their weekends and looked at some amazing projects and evaluated the projects. I also like to thank the community partners who helped us to reach out to different communities and make this an inclusive event. Last but not the least, if it wasn't for the sponsors, SillyHacks would be really difficult to run. And thanks to all our sponsors, all our tier sponsors, as well as all our in-kind sponsors. Once again, thank you all for joining in to the Sillyverse. And well, it's not over yet. We will be having some amazing events further. So stay tuned. And I know a lot of you will be asking, like, will we close the Discord server or not? Well, honestly, we don't have an answer for now. But yes, it is going to stay live for a while until and unless we have something more concrete planned for you all. So stay tuned for more events and stay tuned and have fun in the Sillyverse. Thank you all for joining.